Alright, I realized I wanted to start talking about what's going on. I have this 10-minute setup right here. And I guess I'm a little bit, I'm not like iffy. It makes sense to go. Shit. It makes sense to go for buys. Oh, now prices is building up. Okay, maybe perhaps it took this smaller wick. This was before I even got to the charts. So this happened at 826 and it looks like it's making its way down from there. So again, this is like a similar setup that happened yesterday where it was like I had the higher John marked up, but then the smaller wick actually was the one to take. Fortunately, I was not at the chart, so I wouldn't have been able to take this anyway. So I might be canceling this trade. Yeah, I'm just gonna cancel this trade on both accounts because I wouldn't want to take this if it breaks this structure. So I'll let y'all know. Oh, and price just have broken bearish structure. All this time it's been on a downtrend. This is it, like broke all of these highs right here. With that move, and now it's continuously making highs. Yeah, just wanted to show y'all that. Okay, so I have this trade idea. It's gonna be like a range 4 setup. Actually, I might have gotten the wrong jump. I might have the wrong entry on this jump. If we're taking it, if this doesn't break this high, I may have to adjust my shit. Hold on. Okay, so I adjusted the zones so that this is more so like my range 2 range, or sorry, this would be range 4. So we have 1, 2, this is 3. If it doesn't break this high and then come down to this area, this would be 4, and we'll be looking for it to make its way back up. If though price does before it drops, let's say price just consolidates here and then it builds another high, I'd be looking into this demand setup right here. But since I noticed that price failed to make a new high, I'm looking at it as this possible range setup. I originally had it, this honestly might cost me, but I originally had it on the demand setup right here. But I realized this is a range setup. Let me get the bottom of this move right here, and let me just have that marked up. And if we don't get a tag in, or if we do get stopped out, it sucks, but at least it's gonna be aligning with my rules. And yeah, not gonna lie, I had FOMO and I was about to take this setup over here, but I'm like, if I take this setup and it loses, I will not be happy. I will not be happy, right? Because it didn't align with anything. It was last minute. Price didn't break structure, which we know doesn't have to be a factor, but this is only a 2-minute setup, right? This is only a 2-minute setup. Price will probably tap into this and hits the trade, TP. I don't know. It's a lot of decision making and happening very quickly, and you just don't want to be the one to make a silly mistake because you had FOMO, right? I don't want that to be my story anymore. This might get a tag in and probably will hit stop take profit, but which has been frustrating for me, but I don't know. Maybe a learning lesson. I'll let you know. And another thing, it's like I'd rather be cautious. I mean, it is Friday. If this hits TP, I will be upset. But it is Friday, and so I'd rather be cautious than, taking every setup. Oh my god, that looks so good. Whatever. But I do want to say that this was an idea that I had last minute as I seen price forming it. I did see the zone. So I was thinking about it. You could tell, but I was like, I don't know, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like we're in a range. This is only on the 2-minute, and wow, okay. It possibly is gonna hit TP. Well, this is a learning lesson for me. So I'm gonna be upset if it hits TP, but I'm gonna be like, okay, now we know that we can really take any setup if it comes our way. If we see a setup, take the setup, even if it's like a little bit like, oh, will it will like but that's only if this hits TP, which it looks like it could. Oh my god. I constantly feel like I'm playing it too safe for something that's like not safe at all. And it's annoying. Like if this hits TP, I'm gonna be annoyed. Alright. I feel a little bit happy. Now we can get that out of the way, and I'm hoping that it doesn't just tap into this John and like call it a day and be like, oh my god, I'm so happy. You know, that's all I needed. I'm hoping that this is all you need. I'm hoping that I'm all you need. I'll let you know. This is another zone that I've found or seen last minute too. Price could potentially bounce off of that. I'm hoping I'm hoping Price just rebukes all of this but loves my setup. That's all I hope for. Bruh, this is looking like a good setup, bro. I might be cooked. Last minute too. Damn. The feeling of regret is real because I had this setup, bro. Well, I didn't have this exact setup, but you know what I mean? Let me go to the 2 minute. I'm on the 1 minute. I had like this, bro. Like I had this too. Ah, damn it. I had it like even down here with it. And that could have been TP. Wow. Bro. Alright, man. Bro, the way I was like about to take this sell setup and then last minute I just didn't take it because I seen it last minute and I was like, wait a minute. And now it's like, damn. All right, I'm about to take this chance. It might stop me out, but I'm gonna take this chance. I'm going in for this sell setup right here. Yeah, I might get stopped out. Order filled. I don't know if you heard that. My headphones are on or in. I might get stopped out on this trade, but I wanted to take a chance. Speaker. Okay, I'm nervous. I feel like it's about to stop me out. But I wanted to take a chance. Oh, here we go. Looks like we're about to get stopped out. I wanted to take a chance. I'm gonna delete the previous setup if I get stopped out. Here we go. Looks like we're about to get stopped out. Oh shit, it's 9 o'clock. Sorry, I'm just nervous, so forgive me. It'd be so close, and then it's like, nah, I'm cool. Ugh. Breathe, kitty.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, that was like so intense for me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That was so intense. Cause it was shaking. It looked like it was about to stop me out. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a screenshot, bro. Just wait, make sure we got no other trades. We got no other trades. No other trades. Okay. That was fucking... Okay, we're gonna download this. And then I'll explain why I took this setup. And then, yeah. Okay, that's good on that. Okay. So why did I take the setup? Alright, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Alright, let me shout out to y'all. Let me look out for you. So why I took the setup. Okay. So I talked about it in the beginning. I was originally looking for this. Oh, excuse me. I was really looking for this range 4 setup. So 1, 2, 3, and then for price to come down to this area right here for the 4, and then make its way up. All right, and I was waiting for that, right? And through that journey, we saw, I think I saw like 3 setups happen. I seen this buy setup, and I was like, bro, it's about to hit TP. It stopped them out. And then I seen this other setup right here, this fair value gap setup that I had previously, like right here, taking it up. It was pretty close, but then it got stopped out. So during that jaunt, I ain't gonna lie, it was this, hold on, I already took a picture, so you already know what happened. It was this break of structure. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was, wait, actually, let me bring it up. It was this break of structure, and then I seen this setup right here. I seen this setup, but I was like too late to it, right? I was too late to it, so I couldn't capitalize on it when I wanted to. But if I did, jeez, I'd be looking for this, take the 1-to-1, and I probably would still be in this trade holding it. But since I missed that one, I was like, all right, bro. All right, it's breaking structure. It's making bearish. So I think I marked up this zone right here. I think, yeah, marked up this zone right here because price, bring this line out. Price with this candle broke that low. So once I seen this candle break this low, I marked up this zone right here. And then that's when you seen me take this trade 1 tick above. And I think I had 9 ticks on it. 9 ticks. And then 1 to 2 got hit right there. So that happened very quickly. You know, I'm proud of myself because I was literally just looking at price action. And it's not to say that my original setup idea with the range 4 setup, I'll mark it again. Not to say that that idea won't work out, but I wanted to take a chance on this. I seen it and I was like, I like it and I want to take a chance on it right now. And I like something that has been working for me has been paying attention to market structure, like as you see it. And a lot of the times I would see price being bullish and then price break bullish structure and then temporarily go for sells, and I would just watch it. Like I would just like see it, but I wouldn't act on it. I wouldn't be like, oh, price just broke structure, bearish, a bullish structure. It broke lows, and now they formed a sell setup basically, just like over here, right? Price, let's bring up the John right there. Price was here making higher highs, and then in this candle it made a low, and I seen it but I didn't react to it. But then there was this zone right here, right? This zone right here, and you could have took this candle to then take it all the way down to here, and I feel like now it'd probably be TP. Maybe we can check. But yeah, usually I would see these market structures but not capitalize on it in any kind of way. But recently, with my back testing and me really being a lot more comfortable with looking in the markets and really honing into my skills recently, you know, I've been taking setups like these, like small trend setups, and just been able to capitalize on them. Honestly, it's been cool. I mean, that was like really difficult. Like, I'm like chill now, and you just got your 1 to 2. So even if I did take that setup and I had to hold, I would have gotten the 1 to 2 as well. So yeah, I'm really proud of myself. It wasn't easy. Today wasn't easy for me. Like I was breathing, I was nervous. I felt like 2, 3 trades could have won and none of them did. And the thing was, I wasn't looking at any of those setups, but it was more so the fact that they looked like they were about to hit TP and I wasn't in it. I 100% had FOMO, but I stayed 10 toes down on what I was looking for. If that 2 minute zone in the beginning, it would have been different if that was a 10-minute zone. I'd probably be more, like, let's just take it, but it wasn't. And also, it didn't break major structure. So I was looking at that as like different confluences as well. And it didn't even break minor structure. Like we was looking, like at one point, let me bring this back. It was something like this. One point I was looking at this, I had this something like here, and I was like, yo, what if they do it? If we go down to the 1 minute, we'll see that this is a range 2 setup, and this probably could have worked. This is a range 4, exactly what we're looking for, but just on a smaller time frame. This was a range 4, and basically with this, I don't know, we're waiting for price did not break this high, and then it came down, almost hit TP, got you a 1 to 3, but yeah, it wasn't the move. Leave. But yeah, I don't know. Whew, it's a trike. All right, so we took that on our live account, and we took that on the funded account. We're currently back up from drawdown, and we're back up to the same amount that we were yesterday. Yesterday we took a $100 withdrawal from this account, so the fact that we got another John, I could do a withdrawal right now if I wanted to, for real. That's $200 of just like that. Like I could if I wanted to. Maybe I'll take $50. You know what I mean? 700. I think I'm gonna take a $50 withdrawal, cause this is for me more for anybody else. So I'm gonna take that withdrawal, and I'm gonna show you right now. Why not? Closing the charts, making sure everything is chilling. And let's also, before we go, let's review. This was our first week. Let's review how this week went, and see where we're at. Dude, I don't really understand how that's possible. They said that I have a 20% win rate. I've won 4 trades. I've lost 16. Like, this doesn't even make sense. But yet I'm profitable. Like, that don't even make sense. But you see how it is? It's like they split up all this. They split up. So it's not accurate, but it is. Shit, it says I have a 20% win rate, but I'm still profitable. So Lord only knows how that works. But yeah, we getting out of here. It's getting out of here. Logging out of that. And we got the live account. Let's see how the live account has been this week. Okay, I was trying to show you the stats, but it's just doing the thing that it usually does. I don't know. But let's do the withdraw, and yeah, I'll do $50. Fund, no withdrawing, $750 going to my bank account. Let me just do that. Amount to withdraw, how much? I'm just gonna do $50. Confirm. Deposit schedule. Oh, damn. Okay. Well, bitch. Okay, so it finally loaded up. This is unrealistic. I just want to let you know. And this is not even how many trades I've taken. You know how they be doing it. It's like the same setup. I took 1, 2, 3, 4. I've taken 4 trades and I've lost once. So we're 4-1 on this week, which is, pretty profitable for the system. But man, we know that it's not, this is not how it's gonna be. Like, I'm waiting for my 40% to hit. Well, We've made $248. This is a monumental week for me actually because I'm withdrawing $150 this week. And I've never been able to say that I've withdrawn any money. I've never been able to say like I've made money from trading, or I can say that, but I've made money that I can like actually take out and withdraw. Because like the other account, the PA funded account, I made 500 today, but I can't take that out. It would be awesome if I could, but I'm not on that level, and that's where I want to be at, being in a place where I'm able to, I don't know, but I don't even know where I last stopped you, but I'm just here in my head. I'm like, whoa, like, I don't know if it's going to happen today or tomorrow, because I requested the withdrawal yesterday. I don't know how quickly everything works. Yo, well, look at that. I got the $100 from yesterday. I'm gonna show you. Yo, look at that, $100. Let's go. Definitely gotta take the screenshot, man. This is history. And then we just requested another withdrawal of 50. Like, this is just, yo, man, 2025. I gotta make a whole nother video just talking about this shit, because, yeah, this video getting long. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right.